my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl, and I Spyder blue.
Progress of what they've demolished so far before they put the UK gas. Wow. It's gone. Progress.
And the river is high.
Not that high. I can still see barriers.
So, happy Tuesday, the 25th.
He gets me all screwed up. I think thought it was tomorrow, but it's today instead.
Okay.
I'm all excited to go with Amy, to be with Amy tomorrow. So I was a day early.
Yep.
Oh well.
So we're off to pick up some meat.
Sprinkles.
And we're taking a little ride just to get the dust out of our brains.
Fill the airspace with air.
So come along with our little ride. I got new settings on my GoPros.
Both of them?
I changed the settings on the GoPros.
Both of them.
Yep.
Oh.
Both the same. I'm going at 4K, 30 frames per second. And we'll see if that makes the videos sharper.
I think mine's pretty sharp. Yours is dull.
Well, I'm shooting through a windshield.
I said that to you the other day. Why is my bluer?
I could put a filter on it.
No. Well, I was just worried because I thought that mine had a different setting and yours lost a setting.
I've been lost for a long time.
Well, your settings haven't been straight for a long time.
I'm set in my ways. So, like I said earlier, stay tuned and we'll keep you updated.
Left the city when the sky was gray. Traded concrete for the open way. State line greeted me with a sign. Now the road begins to roll and climb. Watch the bombs pass by and weathered red. Just like the stories my old man said. The air is cooler and the wind is sweet. I can feel the engine beneath my seat. Endless cornrows on the right, green and gold in the morning light, rolling hills and the open sky, watching the world go drifting by. Endless cornrows on the right, rolling hills and the open sky. Every acre tells a different tale of a summer rain and a rusty nail, undulating ground like a gentle sea. This keystone land is calling out to me. No need to rush or to check the clock, just a steady beat of the Americana rock. The passports flicker like a movie reel. I like the way this mountain quiet feels. Endless cornrows on the right, green and gold in the morning light,
And we're off. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try this. Take two.
Well, he had to take two, but I didn't.
Yeah, we had a little disconnected from the remote to the GoPro. I had to reboot. Wow, what a steep hill. Whee!
Yep.
Yeah, it doesn't show when you got it on the setting on the thing for being stable. It doesn't show the steep hills that you're going down. Very, very good. But it is steep. Trust us.
I know. Even though I try to get the camera to move with the bike, it still doesn't do it. It stabilizes straight.
Free game. It's kind of curvy and yeah.
The skies can open, the rivers can rise, and pour down a highway, a stormy surprise. Let the joint crush down and the blacktop attack. A little bit of water won't hold me back, 'cause I'll be back. The pavement might vanish beneath the gray tide, but there's a fire burning that keeps me outside. No river can swallow the rumbling track. No flooded out roadway will hold me back. Hold me back. With a grip on the bars and a glance at the sky, I'll find a new way where the gravel is dry. You can wash out the asphalt and alter tar, but you can't put a dampener on what I've done so far. As a traveler determined to push through the rain, to trade every puddle for open terrain. Let the currents run deep, let the horizons turn black. There isn't a flood that can hold me back. With a grip on the bars and a glance at the sky, I'll find a new way where the gravel is dry. You can wash out the asphalt and alter tar, but you can't put a dampener on what I've done so far. With a grip on the bars and a glance at the sky, I'll find a new way where the gravel is dry. You can wash out the
Reimer, he'll go.
asphalt and alter tar.
Reimer, help.
But you can't put a
Okay.
dampener on me. Hell no.
And we're exploring the hills.
Hell no.
Oh, okay. We're just going who knows where.
Well, we're trying to get to Canyon, so
But we're taking the roundabout away.
along about away.
Roundabout away.
Like a walkabout.
We'll go straight.
Okay.
We're making a big loop, but it's all right. We'll be rounding the corner when she comes.
Get in here, let the gravel fly high.
Yeah.
Left the main road just to see the night sky. Old Chevy truck with the dents in the door.
All right.
Need a map, we've been here before. Crack window, open, let the pine air in. Small town living is the way that we win. From the water tower to the county line, everything we got is doing just fine. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tire. up by the creek where the grass grows tall. Drop the back down, yeah, we're having a ball. Pass a jaw around, keep the bass thumping loud. No skyscrapers here, just a homegrown crowd. Got the boots on the metal, head in the breeze. Talking about the roots and the family trees. Work all week just to spend it right here with the crickets in the corn and a cold glass of beer. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom feels. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom feels. Shake the constellation spinning overhead. Real country folk don't need a fancy bed. Just a blanket and a bed of a heavy duty rig. When the party's this good, man, our heart stays big. Pride in the dirt, pride in man. This little zip code, nothing's gonna change. Keep the lights off, let the moon do the work. Every back road turn is a Saturday purge. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom feels. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom feels.
The thoughts are ringing loud inside my head, a tangled web of every word. I wish I'd said, he grabbed the keys and we rolled.
Well, it says
into
road
the light
closed, but we want to see why it's closed.
and trade the thought for a path of green and white.
Maybe it's something cool.
Well, it is near a river, so. Oh, yeah, road closed. Okay.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
I guess they really got it blocked off, so something must be super closed. All right, we go this way. We'll find our way around.
Just the hum of the road in the open sky.
We're climbing, we're climbing.
There's Macaulay Falls Road. That's the dirt pot.
Ah, whee! That was fun.
The simple things in life.
The asphalt melts into winding country lanes.
Nice down. Great.
Fields of corn chase away the mental strain.
And a good view.
A sudden breeze is catching up to cool my sails. And time is slowing down.
That's
to
it
match
is.
the steady pace.
And a curvy road. Whee!
The overhead wires play a hummed electric tune. Beneath the lazy arch of afternoon.
Yes.
And my heavy cross is
CanAm.
spinning off the rubber trail.
He's loaded.
You got a blue too. Also.
There's only one blue too.
I know, that's why I said also.
Quiet rhythm of the engine takes the weight. No time to worry about the future.
Squished possum.
or the lake. Just the hum of the rubber and the open sky as the heavy-hearted worries
Wow.
start to pass me by.
I like it.
Thank you for
Home sweet home.
Oh, that's what.
making memories
Hi, Dave.
that won't fade away. Miles keep pulling me in.
Not supposed to do that.
Don't forget our spot of name blue. Side by side through the sun.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on our meat run.
Yeah, a meat run. Not meet and greet, just meat.
If the wind our
And that
hearts
dark cloud
We
just
did
hovering.
about 63 miles, but not bad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.
Thank you, subscribers.
Yes, thank you, and more thank yous.